You know, if you ask the average Christian, why did Jesus come? They will say, He came to die for our sins. But is this true? Is this why He came? Whatever reason He came for, did He accomplish it? If He did, what does that mean for you today? If He accomplished His purpose, what does it mean for you today? Discover this and more in today's article of Rhapsody of Realities. Today, I'm giving a challenge to sponsor 10 copies of Rhapsody of Realities. There are thousands of you who are watching today that can sponsor just 10 copies of Rhapsody of Realities. This is Rhapsody of Realities. Click. It's time to click. Click on that link and go ahead and sponsor today. If you don't have the Rhapsody app, download it quickly. This is Rhapsody Clicks, and you're going to have a fantastic day today. Have a great day. God bless you.